Mum.
Don't! Oh, no! Don't, please. It's really boring.
I got two, yeah. Because I knew you confiscated it at one point.
No, you didn't. Will you stop it now? You're starting him off again. It's just calm down. Stop filming me. This isn't funny now. Delete it. Oh, shut up. I mean it, Tom. I mean it. I'm tired. Frost me, Captain.
Oh no! Mum! Ow!
Stop it.
That actually hurt.
Get stuffed.
Get stuffed. Oh! Oh! Oh no!
Don't do it again. I'm not playing. I mean it, obviously. Don't film me now. Don't film me with pyjamas on and everything, Tom. I'm serious.
Oh no! No!